Portable toilets are a practical and convenient solution for outdoor events and construction sites. There are many products available to choose portable toilets, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best portable toilets from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Upgrade XL Portable Toilet. The Ankady XL Portable Toilet is a great choice for camping trips and outdoor emergencies. It is made of sturdy density board and high-quality leather, making it skin-friendly and soft. It is 40% higher than many other portable camping toilets, and it holds up to 440 pounds, making it suitable for the whole family. It is easy to set up and fold in seconds, and comes with a waterproof storage bag for easy transport. Customers have found it to be sturdy and reliable, making it a great choice for camping and travel. Number 2. Vingli Portable Toilet. The Vingli Portable Toilet is a lightweight and compact solution for indoor and outdoor use. It features a detachable inner bucket for easy cleanup and less odor, a higher seat height for comfort, and a sturdy construction with anti-slip lines. It is ideal for camping, boating, fishing, road trips, healthcare, and more. Customers have noted that the plastic could be thicker, the bucket could be deeper, and the toilet paper holder is too small. Number 3. SereneLife 5.2-gallon Portable Camping Toilet. The SereneLife Portable Toilet is a convenient, compact, and portable solution for your camping, caravan, or trailer vacation needs. It features a large capacity of up to 120 flushes, a leak-proof and odorless design, and is crafted from high-density, premium-quality polyethylene for a corrosion-resistant travel toilet. Customers have found it to be sturdy, big enough for comfort, and perfect for avoiding common areas during the pandemic. Number 4. 2025 Upgraded 16.5-foot XL Portable Toilet. Ski Camping Toilet is a 16.5-foot portable toilet designed for camping, hiking, road trips, and more. It offers upgraded height for comfort, sturdy construction for durability, easy cleaning, and multifunctional use. The height makes it comfortable for users with knee issues. The sturdy build ensures reliability during use. Its collapsible design and included accessories make it easy to clean. Additionally, its multifunctional nature allows for versatile usage beyond camping. Number 5. 72 Hours Premium Portable Camping Toilet Seat. The 72 Hours Portable Snap-on Toilet Seat with lid is made of sturdy and flexible polypropylene, which is crack and pinch resistant. It fits 5-gallon/19-liter buckets and is easy to carry and install. It is perfect for emergency preparedness, camping, traveling, and other outdoor activities. The easy snap-on feature secures the seat to a bucket tightly to avoid spills and allows for easy removal and cleaning. This toilet seat is perfect for family trips and home emergency preparedness, providing ease of use for everyone.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.